Trailer Sales, CarolinaTrailerSales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. This is a 2020 Shadow 9-foot full living quarters with small slide 3-horse. It is all aluminum. It is white in color with graphics. It does have a hydraulic jack. It does have 2 propane tanks, battery box. Empty weight on this trailer is 6,700 pounds. 6,700 pounds is the empty weight of this trailer. Taking down a stroll down memory lane 10 years ago, this was all I actually sold. So I did quite a lot of shadows. Does have an escape door, drop down windows with bars. This one has an aluminum floor. I know some of the stablemates out there have a wood floor, but this has an aluminum floor, so this is an all aluminum trailer. It's got a swing out saddle rack, bridle hooks. This trailer does have a lower divider, telescopic divider here on the end. Does have a walk-through door. It has a big bus drop back window. Horse box is in excellent shape, slightly used. No dings or bangs on the outside whatsoever for me to note. Power awning. So this trailer is super lightweight. LED light on the outside, the porch there up underneath the door. As I said, this was a 9-foot short wall. Oh, sorry, bouncing around, guys. Super like this little interior. It's got the barn door, sliding barn door for your bathroom. It's got cabinets all above. Couch does make a bed. That slide is manual. It's on a pulley system. Big bed area, so that mattress does cover the whole entire deck. It does have day-night shades. It does have a hookup for a TV. I love the wall. Let me kind of zoom in. It's textured. Super neat. It's a really nice 9-foot Shadow LQ. Rear kitchen, microwave. It's got a radio up there. 2 little cubby holes for stuff. 2-burner gas top stove, small fridge. It's got a stainless sink. I think I said that couch makes a bed. I know I did. Adequate space with all your amenities that you need. It does have a propane furnace. It does have an air conditioning. This air conditioner does have the thermostat on the wall for you to control. It's not ducted, but it does have the thermostat for you to control here on the wall, which is quite nice. You can kind of put it on your temperature and let it go. Got a cabinet here. Let's see if I can get in here and show you. Corner shower, quite big, I'll add. That's actually the same shower basin that we put in Murr House. Mirror on the walk-through door, porcelain toilet, and it does have little cubby cabinets here. I love this texture wall. Did I say that? Yeah, I said that. Alright, just kind of giving you a little bit better visual. Let me kind of zoom in so you can kind of see a little bit better. Super clean, nice trailer in excellent shape. spin around again, guys. Pretty sure this is a 23 box. So 23 box, keeps it nice and small, lightweight, makes a great little weekend trailer. Not to mention that the decor in it is great, I think. All right, so 2020 Shadow 9-foot LQ. Back up so you can kind of get the whole gist of it. Great size. Alright guys, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. Again, my name's Ashley. You can reach me at 828